All right, here comes some cool air and moisture returning to the west. And we still have a strong signal for potentially an East Coast snowstorm as we move into the middle of next week. As always, let's get into our 5-day forecast across the lower 48. And where to start? Well, tomorrow it is going to be very cold across the east with feels like temperatures across the east being below freezing in most states except for central Florida to southern Florida. We do expect some very strong winds to move back into the northeast on Sunday, along with that clipper system that may drop a little bit of snow up in inland New England. We also have some very windy conditions returning to the northwest on Saturday and Sunday. And with that, finally will be some moisture and cold air returning to the region. Although this is expected to be quite short-lived, as this trough should move in and then move its way out to the east in just about 48 hours. But we definitely could see some high elevation snowfall making its way back into the Rockies as we push into Sunday through Tuesday. And around that same time, we do expect a clipper system to be moving through the northern Midwest and inland New England, dropping anywhere between 3 to 8 inches depending on where you are and your elevation. We are expecting a large amount of rainfall to move into the east around next Monday to Wednesday. And I'm talking a large swath of maybe 1 to 3 inches of rain across a lot of states. So if you're traveling or driving on the East Coast early in the week, you could see some issues. But the same system bringing all of that rain up the east is what could potentially bring us a nor'easter style storm Wednesday or Thursday next week to the northeast. Now we're still around 110 to 120 hours out from this storm developing, but we do still have some strong model consensus that someone out here is going to see decent snow, but also someone out here is just going to see a soaking from rain. If we were to see a lot of snow out east from this storm, we would want this low to develop just below this trough moving in so that it can really amplify and strengthen as it moves up the coast. And there's some potential there, but let's wait a little bit longer to see what's actually going to happen. All right, I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow. I will not be going live or posting tomorrow because I will be out of town, but I will be back Sunday live streaming and posting. So I'll see you Sunday around 9 p.m. I'll see you in the next video.